Okay, we have a Haas Toolroom-Mill model TM1P, serial number 1051162. The machine was new in 2006. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a 10.5 by 47 and 3/4 inch table, 30 inches of X travel, 12 of Y, 16 of Z. You have a Haas CNC control, 40 taper cat spindle, 10 station automatic tool changer. That's your Z axis. That's your X. And your Y. All right. We're going to run the spindle, I believe. 1,000 RPM. The machine goes up to 6,000 RPM. 2,500. 4,500. Is it 4,500 at the top or 6?
Nope, 6.
6. Okay, that's it. All right, we're going to do a tool change. Okay. And that's it. So, hey, oh, you have a little coolant pump, and that's it, full enclosure. Thank you for watching our video.